Specta Mini QuickShots. Got that coming up next. Bill John Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The Specta Mini has been an absolute blast to fly. I'm having a great time with it. Today we took it up to go ahead and test QuickShots. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, we're going to take the Specta Mini up today and we're going to be testing QuickShots with this. See, we have 16 satellites right here, and again, you look at the app and it's 100% DJI. There's no question about that. I've got 17 satellites. One thing I noticed before we get started here is it takes a minute or so before it gets the satellites. So that's something you kind of need to really keep in mind here. We're at 4K 30. I'm going to go ahead and start the recording right now, and let's go ahead and take off.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
I'm ready for you to hear. Please check it on the map. Okay, we are underway. Let's go here. And again, it's shifted it over to meters, so I don't know about that. Let's see if I can go ahead and get that back to... Let's see if that's under the about or transmission. No. Camera control. I think it's under probably safety. Trying to find the units here. Battery info, advanced safety settings. Let's see, control. Camera, transmission, about, model, app. Let's see, firmware. I could swear it's under safety and I'm not finding it. I don't know. Anyway, all right, let's get rolling here. We're going to go forward. We're going to go ahead and test QuickShots. Let me go ahead and I'm going to back it down. I'm trying to remember how many meters is what here. Let's take it up just a little more. I want to adjust the pitch of the gimbal here a little bit. There we go. Let's go forward. Kind of impressed with the speed of this. It's fast. It's good. I like that. Absolutely like that. Okay, let's slide over here a little bit. Now we're going to stop recording, and let's take a look here and see QuickShots. Okay, let's do a Dronie. Why not? And we're going to go ahead and start. And we'll draw a box around the subject, which will be the pool. And we'll hit start.
3, 2, 1.
This is working very well. Very impressed with this. And it's returning. Okay, that looked very successful here. So let's go ahead and go back here. Let's do a rocket. Again, do the pool area and hit start.
3, 2, 1.
See, there's nobody out at the pool. Well, between 10 and like 3 or 4 in the area, there is somebody in the pool. Between a 10 and probably about maybe 4, the sun is just brutal in Florida, and we've already skipped. I mean, you might as well say it's June. Might as well say it's summer already here, because it really is just the way the sun is out right now. It's in the 90s. The humidity's back. Yeah, it's the yeah, it's the most wonderful time of the year not in Florida. I'll tell you that right now. And we're returning here. Okay. All right, let's do a circle. And we'll do that again around the pool. And raise the altitude here just a little bit. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
And it's a fast circle. I forgot how fast this was. But it's doing a great job. We had 80% battery left here. We are finishing up. Okay. Do a helix. Start that. Oh.
3, 2, 1.
Down to about 77% battery. And 38% done here. I'm up on 60%. You can barely hear it overhead now. 90% finishing up here. 99, 100. There we go. All right. And we are returning. 72% battery. I'm impressed with the battery, how well the battery's doing here. Okay. And we're going to, last but not least, do the boomerang.
Three, 2, 1.
And boomerang started here. At about 70% battery. It's been a while since I've done a boomerang, but I really like it. kind of get spoiled with master shots and the POI spotlight mode. Very impressed with what I'm seeing right here. This is really, really good. Now, no, these are in 1080p, just to let you guys know that. It's 73%, 74%. %, and it is done. All right. Back to video mode, and we're going to go ahead and return to home here.
Return to home.
Of course, it's probably set up to probably about 300 feet here. Yeah, well, I don't think it's 300, but still, it's pretty high. Let's go ahead and adjust the pitch of the gimbal here so we can take a look and see at the landing.
Landing.
And take a look and see how we do here. Probably not going to hit the pad, but that's okay. Some moderate wind and it's handling it real well. Can't control aircraft. Well, I'm just going to manually land it here.
Landing.
Okay, that was a successful test of QuickShots with the Specta Mini. Question of the day. What did you think of the Specta Mini QuickShots? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.